Good morning. Dito na kami sa Kararating natin sa Binalonan dito sa highway 7-Eleven. So, inaantay pa namin yung ibang mga kasama namin kasi dito makikita-kita na dumiretso na kami dito sa Binalonan. So, ayan, antay na namin na dumating. So, tsaka tayo diretso doon sa pupunta natin. Actually, mamumundok tayo ngayon. Akit tayo ng bundok. So, yung pupuntahan natin ngayon, Mount Pandilgan, Mount Paldigan, yung pupuntahan natin ito today. So, natin na namin mga kasama ko rin yung tawag ko dito nag-aasikaso na. So, may ulit, balikan ko kayo pagka pupunta tayo sa Mount Paldigan.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Ayun, narating na namin yung area. So, andito na kami dito sa kita na sa bundok. So sabi nila kasi 14 cross daw yung yun, nakala ko tapos na. Yun yung dito, yung peak dito sa dito sa ano pangalan nito? Binalonan, yung Mount Pandingan. So ito pa lang, ay peak, ito yung peak, hindi pa pala, ito pala yung hindi pa namin nararating yung pinaka pero bababa na kami. Hanggang dito lang muna kami. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayun yung dito yung unang pa lang. dito sa Mount Pandigan. Kaso hindi na namin inabot yung ano, yung pinaka tuktok. Dito lang kami muna. So tapos bababa na rin kami maya. So ang ganda. Pasensya na hindi ko na ano, na ipakita yung ano, yung ibang ano. Kata namin. Yung hirap. Hindi ko mahawakan yung camera eh.